there, so I'm just placing this into the ear canal. And again, any discomfort, let me know. Okay, so I'm just very, very gently going into the ear. And we have gone for a slightly larger one, so we are coming up against the canal walls. You okay still?
Yeah.
And you may find we're starting to go deeper, so you may start to feel just slight discomfort as we're putting a little bit of pressure on the ear canal. I'm feeling a little bit of resistance trying to go any further. Is there any discomfort there?
No.
Good.
It's fine.
Now, one of the things that you do need to do is just not be scared of going too deep. So really using those markers, because if you pull out too soon, you're just going to break a little bit off rather than getting a lot out. So, are you still okay?
Yeah.
Now I'm just going to pull. And we've got there.
Okay.
Out.
The first